Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma today announced that the Jorhat-Dibrugarh section will be completed by December 31st this year, well ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. This has been announced by himself by Twitter. Here we are bringing you the full details. Jorhat-Dibrugarh National Highway section to finish by December 2025. This has been announced by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. High-level meeting reviewed Assam's infrastructure project process. Dhubri-Fulbari Bridge to be India's longest bridge. Guwahati-Silchar Expressway aims to reduce travel times significantly. Yes, viewers, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma today announced that the Jorhat-Dibrugarh section of the National Highway will be completed by December 31 this year, well ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. He announced the assurance on his official X handle after a high-level meeting with Dr. Kishan Kumar, Managing Director of the National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, held in New Delhi. This marks yet another promise made to the people that will be fulfilled well before the election, Sharma said in a post on X, expressing confidence in the progress of the vital highway project. During the meeting, the Chief Minister and the NHIDCL Chief assessed the status of ongoing and proposed infrastructure initiatives across Assam. Key projects under review included the much-anticipated 19.28 km long 4-lane bridge over the Brahmaputra River, which will link Dhubri in Assam to Fulbari in Meghalaya. Once completed, it will be India's longest bridge. The two also discussed the ambitious Rs 25,000 crore Guwahati-Silchar Expressway, which is expected to drastically reduce train travel and improve connectivity between Assam's two major cities. Other critical infrastructure projects were also on the agenda, including the proposed Numaligarh-Gawpur underwater tunnel, a first of its kind in the northeast, and the expansion of the national highway corridors between Baihata-Sariali, Tejpur and Gawpur-Kulajan. The discussions highlighted the strategic importance of the projects not only for Assam's internal connectivity but also for border regional integration and national security. Yes, viewers, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma today pledged that the crucial Jorhat-Dibrugarh section of the National Highway will be finished by December 31 this year, a significant promise made well in advance of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. This assurance was publicly shared by the Chief Minister via his official X account following a high-level meeting held in New Delhi with Dr. Kishan Kumar, the Managing Director of the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. The Chief Minister expressed confidence in the project's timely completion, stating on X, "This marks yet another promise made to the people that will be fulfilled before the elections." The meeting between Sharma and Dr. Kumar centered on a comprehensive review on ongoing and planned infrastructure developments throughout Assam. This included a detailed examination of the progress on the 19.28 km 4-lane bridge over the Brahmaputra River, designed to connect Dhubri in Assam with Fulbari in Meghalaya, a project set to become India's longest bridge upon its completion. Discussions also encompassed the ambitious Rs 25,000 crore Guwahati-Silchar Expressway, a project aimed at dramatically reducing train travel and enhancing connectivity between Assam's two principal urban centers. Furthermore, the agenda featured the proposed Numaligarh-Gawpur underwater tunnel, a project for the Northeast region and the expansion of national highway corridors linking Baihata, Chariali, Tejpur and Gopur Kulajan. The meeting underscored the strategic importance of this infrastructure projects not only for improving Assam's domestic connectivity but also for fostering border regional integration and strengthening national security. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.